everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I have created this eye look. If you love this look, then keep watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel if you love my content, and do let me know in comments which look you want to see next. Keep watching. I'm going to use Mehk Paint Pot Soft Ochre. It's a perfect eyeshadow base. Elf concealer brush. This is a really nice soft fluffy blending brush. I really love this base because it makes my eyeshadow pop really well. So I'm just applying this paint pot all over my lid. I've also applied eye tape just to give that angle to my eyeshadow. I'm going with Morphe M160 to use Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm going to trace eyeliner over my tape like this so that it creates a wing, and I'm just going to draw a line closer to my waterline. So I've just created a line over near my waterline and near my eye tip. Now we are going to blend this. Just bringing the eyeliner, smudging it eyeliner with this brush slowly so that it spreads and create that definition. So you can see I'm pressing it towards my inner eyelid. Take this shade, it's brown shade from the palette, and just smudge it over my brush. I'm going to press the brown, especially from the middle center of my eyes, and bring it out. You don't need to bring brown in the inner corner because we want to create a foxy effect. So I'm just going to use a flat brush and bring this brown like this. It's a lighter brown, and I'm going to use it to blend the dark brown. Using a fluffy blending brush. This is again from Morphe 431, and I'm just going to bring this brown towards the outer corner of my eye and spread it slowly. So you can see I'm blending this brown with the dark brown and black. M441, it's a fluffy blending brush, and I've just taken the lighter brown in the palette, and I'm going to bring this over my upper eyelid. So I'm basically blending everything together, and it's a clean blending brush. It will create that beautiful gradient effect. So I'm just blending this extra shade all over my upper eyelid. So I'm going in with this white shade from the palette for my inner. Using a flat blending brush, I'm just going to pat this champagne color in my inner corner of the eye. I'm going to bring the brown here so that the soft edges, we get the soft edges here. Brow as a highlight. You can also use matte highlight, but since I'm doing shimmery, so I'm just using a shimmer highlight as well. London Waterproof Rich Eye Definer in the shade dark brown. Line my waterline with this, with lightest brown shade, because I want to keep it smooth, because if you go with a very dark shade, it will look a bit harsher on your eyes. I'm going to apply it on my lashes. I've quickly applied eyelashes and a liquid liner. I will do my other eye and show you my final look. So I've just done my eyes and full face. This is my final look. Hope you love watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you love this content, and let me know in comments which look you want to see next. Also, I'm going to use Maybelline gel eyeliner. This is Maybelline Lasting Studio Gel Eyeliner. It's really black, and I really like it.